In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe as a payment method on Xero Invoices. Having this option available can really streamline your payment processes, making things easier both for you and your clients. Let's dive into the steps to set this up effortlessly. First, you need to make your way to the Sales section. You will find this at the top bar of your Xero dashboard. Once you click on it, a menu will appear below. In this menu, you're going to want to select the option labeled Sales Settings. This step is crucial as it guides you towards the section where you can control various sales-related options, including how you want to receive payments. After you've navigated to the sales settings, the next thing you need to do is look for the Online Payments option. You should see this quite clearly, and you'll want to go ahead and select it. The Online Payments area is designed to help you manage everything related to receiving payments through your invoices, so you're in the right place to get this integration started. With that done, you'll notice an option to Add New Service at the top. When you click on this, it should present you with a list of potential services. For our purposes today, you should choose Set up Cards and Digital Wallets. This option is specifically tailored for setting up online payment methods that include credit and debit cards, perfect for activating Stripe payment functionality. Once you select Set up Cards and Digital Wallets, you'll see an option saying Get Set Up with Stripe. Clicking this will take you through the setup process with Stripe itself. Follow the prompts provided by Stripe to automate this integration. They will guide you step by step, ensuring that you have accurately linked your accounts. And that's all there is to it. By completing these steps, you've successfully integrated Stripe into your Xero invoicing system, allowing your clients to pay via Stripe easily. This should not only help you receive payments in a more swift, secure manner, but also enhance the payment experience for your clients. If you have any questions about the process or run into any difficulties, Xero's help section and community forums can be a great resource for further assistance. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this setup useful in managing your business finances more effectively.